Samsung is facing a crisis that could reshape its future. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, the crown jewel of the 2025 lineup, might come with heartbreaking setbacks, but also revolutionary breakthroughs. Is Samsung's pride on the line, or are we on the verge of their most powerful release ever? Let's unravel the drama, the rumors, and the incredible surprises in store. The countdown has begun. We're just 2 months away from the grand unveiling of the Galaxy S25 series, a launch poised to become the most significant in S-series history. Samsung plans to expand the lineup to include up to 4 models, and excitement is at an all-time high. But behind the scenes, not everything is going according to plan. In a devastating blow to Samsung's ambitions, their long-awaited dream of bringing back Exynos chips for the 2025 release has crumbled. According to Korean media, Samsung's 3nm chip yield is an abysmal 20%, a figure that's simply unacceptable for flagship devices like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And now, the unthinkable is being considered: outsourcing Exynos chip production to TSMC, Samsung's fiercest rival in the chip-making industry. Just imagine Samsung's pride, its very own Exynos, being crafted by its biggest competitor. This is nothing short of a seismic shift in the tech world. While Samsung may not be thrilled, there's good news for Galaxy fans. According to Ice Universe, all Galaxy S25 models worldwide will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, solidifying its position as one of the most powerful smartphones ever made. Performance enthusiasts, get ready. This is the Galaxy experience you've been waiting for. Moving beyond performance, Samsung is giving us something visually stunning this year. The full-color lineup for the Galaxy S25 series has leaked, and it's looking more vibrant and diverse than ever before. From bold primary shades to sleek exclusive online options, there's something for everyone. Which color are you most excited to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. On the software side, Samsung is raising the bar yet again with the One UI 7.1, set to debut with the Galaxy S25 series. While the Galaxy S24 series will get One UI 7. Beta soon, Samsung is saving its most exciting AI-driven features for One UI 7.1, ensuring the Galaxy S25 lineup stands out. From intelligent customization to advanced machine learning capabilities, this update could redefine how we interact with our smartphones. And here's where things get truly fascinating. South Korean media hints that Samsung is working on something groundbreaking for 2025, a tri-folding phone or an entirely new type of smart device. With whispers of a shakeup in leadership and bold new visions for the future, Samsung may finally be taking bigger risks to reclaim its innovation crown. Could we see the world's first tri-folding Samsung device next year? The possibilities are thrilling. So, there you have it. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for Samsung. From Exynos heartbreaks to Snapdragon triumphs, stunning designs, and game-changing software, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is setting the stage for a dramatic launch. Are you ready to embrace the next big thing in smartphones, or are you holding out for something even more revolutionary? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest tech news and leaks. See you in the next one. Peace out.